प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्टाचो आज क्वेश्चन म्हजो आयिल्लो. हे क्वेश्चनाचेर क्लियर कट आमी चीफ मिनिस्टराक सांगिल्लें आहा की दिस इज द बिगस्ट स्कॅम इन मॉडर्न गोवन हिस्ट्री. आज जे सरकार एक्सपोज जाला ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस, एक्सपोज जाला असो की 7 कमिटी सरकारान अपॉइंट केल्यो टू आयडेंटिफाय प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्ट इन द स्टेट. हांव जेन्ना मंत्री आशिल्लो तेन्ना एक कमिटीचो रिपोर्ट आयलो. जो रिपोर्ट आमी रिजेक्ट केलो. तातूंत 21 स्क्वेअर किलोमीटर जमीन जी प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्ट आशिल्ली ती दान जाली. And because there was no public hearing, and because that method was wrong, which did not have a government sanction, we had rejected that report. This report had then gone to the Chief Minister. Opinion was taken from the learned Advocate General, the present learned Advocate General, Devidas Pangam. He has also written, what he has written I read out to the Chief Minister. Chief Minister could not answer a single question among the 3 supplementaries that I asked. Because he was not well aware of the issue, and because it completely smacks of a criminal conspiracy, because we feel that this present government is trying to sell Goa through corruption, nepotism and maladministration. This is a saga of maladministration from 1997 till date. And because the government is unable to answer questions on this, we demanded a House committee. The Chief Minister did not oblige the House committee. We have now asked for a 2.5 hour discussion under Rule 64. Half an hour discussion under Rule 68. So now the leader of the opposition has made further disclosures which are very damaging. He will explain what is the disclosure. It very clearly shows that certain officers are earning in crores to remove lands which are notified as private forests. And they are creating such a confusion that nobody actually knows which of the 7 committees are now applicable to the state of Goa. Even the Chief Minister could not answer.
Star LAQ number 1A was my question. To that I had asked specific questions. And one of the specific questions was whether the Forest Department, Ministry of Forest and any committee constituted by the government to identify the private forest or any review committee issued any letter to any individual company etc. for removing their area from private forest as identified by various committees. Furnish details with names of the party, location of the property, area of the property, survey number and other ownership details. The answer given to me specifically is no. That means there is not a single area which has been removed from the private forest. Again, I had asked another question. Whether details of all such private forest areas, as my senior leader, Mr. Rani, agrees, and he was trying to make a point in the House, have been submitted to the Chief Town Planner while preparing Regional Plan 2021. If so, furnish details, if not the reason thereafter. The answer given to me is the details of Sawant and Kanakurkar Committee have been submitted to the Chief Town Planner for incorporating in Regional Plan 2021. Subsequently, the intimation of areas identified by Thomas and Arrows Committee has also been given to the Chief Town Planner. That means these areas have been superimposed in the Regional Plan 2021, which is at the moment notified and operational. Section not to include the survey number 591A for forest cover. With reference to your letter dated so and so, this is to inform that the survey number was provisionally identified as private forest by V.T. Thomas Committee. However, the same stands excluded from the purview of private forest as per the final report of V.T. Thomas Committee. This letter is given in 39/2019.
And that's September.
Before that, a letter was written to the Chief Town Planner on 26/6/2019.
On the same case.
On the same matter, wherein the Forest Department writes to the Chief Town Planner saying that this is identified as private forest. I have placed both the letters on the table of the side. Thomas Committee report was finalized in 2018, to be precise. In 2019, there cannot be a letter being written to the Chief Town Planner saying that it is provisionally shown as forest. And after 3-4 months, there cannot be another letter saying that this is now not coming under the purview of the private firm.
Forest Department clearly is involved in this case. Not only this case, they are threatening people. And what is the end result? First report shows almost 41 hectares.
No, for 67.
67 hectares.
It's square kilometers.
No, it is 61 square kilometers. 67,000 square kilometers. आणि आज कितके मिळाले?
67 square kilometers.
Yeah, okay. 67 square kilometers. आज कितके मिळाले देवळीत आहे. अरे फॉरेस्ट टू देवळीत जाल्यार एवरी कमिटी रिव्यू करता हे आनी कितें पयशे घेवन देवळीत आनी वाघ आज मेले ते हे रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो गव्हर्मेंट. This government is entirely responsible and forest department is hand in glove with them. It is very clear on this statistics only.
Vijayan Bulla has started, but main thing is 2012, one person went to NGT and filed a case. Today government is using that flexibility of going to NGT and complying with NGT requirements rather than trying to sort out the issues which the common man is facing. सादो सर्वसामान्य मनीस आज मरता आणि तांकां जाय थंय ते चेंजीस करून तातूंतल्यान फॉरेस्ट भायर काडटा. Blackmailing is in, and this is very clearly proven in my own Polorim constituency. I can give you n number of examples who have been blackmailed by the department officers who have told की तू समज ही प्रॉपर्टी ह्या प्रायसाक दिना आम्ही प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्टान घालता. आणि प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्ट म्हणपाक आज पर्यंत मॅनेजमेंट पॉलिसी जाल्ली ना. लास्ट 7 वर्सां आय बीन फायटिंग ऑन दीस सब्जेक्ट की क्लॅरिटी ना म्हणून आज प्रोविजनल नंबर्स जे तांणी दिल्ले आसा they have been flexibly taken out as and when they are taken care of. आणि ताच्या खातीर भंय असो जाला की अफॉरेस्टेशनाच्या पेक्षा डिफॉरेस्टेशन जावंक लागला. गोवा ऑलरेडी इज एट 36%, which is much more than the national forest policy. 33% is the requirement. 36 where 3% more. फुल प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्ट जे आज गोवा सरकार इतलो अग्रेसिव्ह जाला तो खंयचोच स्टेट देशभर अग्रेसिव्ह जाल्लो ना. आणि सगळी प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्ट समज घेतली सुद्धा इज नॉट गोइंग टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूट मोर दॅन 2%. पूण ह्या 2% कितलो गोंधळ ते खेळटात हे आज लिडर ऑपोजिशनान दाखोवन दिल्ले आसा विथ अ केस which has been there. There are much more cases which are there.
अश्यो कितल्यो केसी आसा
Criteria which are there. Government
any
is,
such type of cases. कारण ह्या
government can actually today,
3 महिना
instead of complying with NGT, should sit back and check on the criteria. Criteria न तकली घालता, which is the purview of the government. ते केल्याशिवाय they are abiding by NGT and using this backdoor tactic to blackmail and use corrupt practices to take money.
एक गोष्ट प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्ट आणि दुसरे वाईल्ड लाईफ सँच्युरी. हे दोन्ही विषय घेऊन काही ऑफिसर थंय कित्याक करता. आता 61 स्क्वेअर किलोमिटराच्या जाग्यार आज 4 स्क्वेअर किलोमीटर फॉरेस्ट जाता. तशीच गोष्ट वाईल्ड लाईफ सँच्युरी ना. लोकांच्यो कारणाशिवाय जमनी 2-2 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर जमीन तातूंत दाखयले गेले आसा. हे कोण करता हे सोदून काडपाची गरज आसा. आणि त्या खातीरूच आमकां हे जे हाफ एन आवर डिस्कशन मागला आमी आणि हाऊस कमिटी ती सरकारान नेमपाक जाय. आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. आमी मोठ्या दबाज्यान तें आंदोलन फुडें व्हरतले आणि ह्यो गोष्टी बंद जावपाक जाय हो आमचो प्रयत्न.
टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग रिजनल प्लॅन केल्लो आसा तो नोटिफाय जाला. which is the forest area, which is the residential area, which is the agricultural area. तर ह्यो सगळे रिजनल प्लॅनात दाखयल्ले आसतना थंय फेरफार करतना ते इट शूड कम बिफोर द असेंब्ली बिफोर ट्रायिंग टू चेंज इट विदाउट कन्सल्टिंग एनीबडी.
कित्याक कसलोच कायदो ना.
नोटिफाईड. The whole regional plan has been notified.
And operationalized.
Copies are available with Town and Country Planning Department.
It is there in the NGT. Why you are issuing letters if it's there in the NGT?
You can't.
If it is in the NGT, matter sub judice, how you are changing?
All the reports are
In
subsidized.
June 2019, you say you can't convert that land.
Notified.
In September 2019, you can convert that land. So that time it was not in NGT. And I am the person who rejected that report. There was lot of pressure not to reject the report. Not only from interested parties, even from the bureaucrats, even from past politicians. Big people are involved in this. This is the biggest scam in modern Goan history. And nobody knows how this happens because they just show a land. I am personally a victim, but I am not removing it. I am saying keep it. My father's property, 2 lakh square meters shown as private forest. The day they came, I said, दाखव इथं. आहा रे, खरे आहा. Rana. I'm not saying remove it. Show it, no problem. But in places where a direction is given saying you can't touch it because it is private forest. And then once I go out of the ministry, a letter comes. Then no, now it is not there. So what happened in these 3 months? This is the whole question.
What's the extent, you feel, of this case?
And this one case is around 90,000 square meters. Man.
20 square kilometers itself is a huge
20 square kilometers, how many square meters?
21 square kilometers.